You go through a breakup every now and then, but here's the truth. Most people heal from it the wrong way. First, isolating yourself is often a mistake. You should reach out to friends and family. Don't push people away just because you feel fine. Second, rushing into a new relationship doesn't help. In fact, the faster you move on, the more likely you are to carry old wounds into the new connection. Another common mistake, only remembering the good times, but a relationship has its ups and downs. And it's important to see the whole picture. And don't forget, once you start to feel a little stronger, it's time to rediscover yourself. Healing from a breakup isn't just about getting over someone. It's one of the first steps in falling back in love with your own life.